Welcome you guys, welcome to Kiran Swati NEET tutorials. Now today we are going to discuss about various types of racemose inflorescences. So types of racemose inflorescences. So it is various types. So first we are starting with a simple raceme. So first we are starting with a simple raceme inflorescence. So what about a simple raceme inflorescence? So here the simple raceme inflorescence, it is similar to the racemose inflorescence. So we already know about a racemose inflorescence. It will shows what? Here the peduncle, it will shows a continuously growth. So it is never terminates with a single flower. So here also it is a type of racemose inflorescence, right? So that's why, so it is also similar to the racemose inflorescence. So here the flowers, so see, it is a peduncle, right? And these are flowers. So it is shows a continuously growth, right? So this peduncle, it is grows continuously. And along with that, the simple raceme, here it is the flowers are pedicellate, bractate, bisexual flowers. Pedicellate flowers. So pedicellate means here it is having pedicel, right? So that's why we call as pedicellate flower, and here it is having a bract, right? So that's why these are bractate flowers. Pedicellate, bractate, bisexual flowers. So both the male and a female part it is present, right? So these are what? So these are pedicellate, bractate, bisexual flowers. So it is similar to the racemose inflorescence. Now how the flowers are arranged? So it will show which type of arrangement. Majority of the racemose inflorescence, it will show which type of arrangement. So that is a acropetal arrangement. So here the simple raceme inflorescence also it will show a acropetal arrangement of flowers. So we already know about acropetal arrangement. So here the towards the lower side, so these are older flowers, so these are younger flowers. Towards the apex, so these are small in size and these are long in size. So the type of arrangement what we call as, that is a acropetal arrangement of flowers, right? So example for a simple raceme inflorescence is crotalaria and mango. Right? So next one we will discuss about a compound raceme or panicle type of inflorescence. Compound raceme inflorescence, or it is also called as what? So it is also called as panicle type of inflorescence. So what about a panicle type or compound raceme inflorescence? So here the compound raceme inflorescence also, it is similar to the a simple raceme inflorescence. But here the compound raceme inflorescence, it will produces various branches, right? So here the branching it is takes place in compound raceme inflorescence. So that is absent in a simple raceme inflorescence. So each branch in compound raceme, that is similar to the a simple raceme inflorescence. So how it is looking like? So see, so it is a peduncle, and here it will produces branches. Right? So in these branches, the flowering takes place. In which arrangement? In a acropetal arrangement. Right? Here the lower flowers are long in size, and towards the apex it will show a short in size flowers. So the type of arrangement what we call as acropetal arrangement. Right? So see, so here the compound raceme, it is having a various branches, but here the branching it is absent. So if you will separate this one, so the single branch, so it is representing a simple raceme inflorescence. So here also pedicellate flower and bracteate flowers and bisexual flowers it is present, and along with that, so these are, it will show a acropetal arrangement. Right? So it is about a compound raceme inflorescence. Right? So example for compound raceme inflorescence is mango and neem. Right? The main difference between simple raceme and compound raceme it will show us branches. So each branch it is representing a simple raceme inflorescence. So remaining all are same. So here it will show acropetal arrangement. Here it will show acropetal arrangement, bisexual flowers, pedicellate flowers, bracteate flowers. So all are similar except in a branching, right? So next one we will discuss about a corymb type of inflorescence. What about a corymb? A simple corymb. What about a simple corymb inflorescence? So next we will discuss about a compound corymb, right? So what about simple corymb? So in simple corymb inflorescence, the peduncle it is short in size, right? So here this peduncle it will produces flowers. Right? So here it will produces flowers. So these are the lower flowers. So lower flowers are, it's having longest pedicel. Right? So these are the lower flowers. So these are having a longest pedicel. So see, towards the apex it will show a shortest pedicel. But ultimately, so they are originated at different positions in peduncle, right? So these are not originated from the same position. So here the flowers are originated from the different positions. So but ultimately it reaches to the same height or equal height. So that type of inflorescence what we call as it is a simple corymb inflorescence. So here also flowers are bracteate, pedicellate flowers, and these flowers it will arrange in a acropetal arrangement, right? So it is about a simple corymb inflorescence. So here the bract it is present, right? So example for a simple quorum is Capsella. So next is, that is compound quorum. What about compound quorum type of inflorescence? So here the compound quorum inflorescence means this, it is similar to the a simple quorum. So what is the difference? Main difference, it will produces branches. So each branch in compound quorum, that is similar to the a simple quorum inflorescence, right? So see, it is a peduncle and it will produces branches, right? So in these branches the flowers are originated at different positions, but ultimately it reaches to the same height, right? So here also it is a branch, the flowers, it is originated at different positions, ultimately it reaches to same height. So this type of inflorescence, what we call as, that is a compound quorum. Right? So see, if you will separate this one, so this single branch in compound quorum, that is similar to the a simple quorum inflorescence. So here also flowers are bracted and pedicellate flowers. So here these are the flowers. So those are arranged in a acropetal arrangement. Right? So example for this one, it is a cauliflower. Right? So it is about a compound quorum inflorescence. So I hope it is helpful for you guys. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.